So talking about calendar, like in every competitive exam, especially for your management based exam for your placements, you definitely will get problems on calendars. So the kind of problems what you get in calendar would be something like this. Like let me show you a problem on calendar. Like if you can see something like this, if you see this question number 8. So if this question number 8, if you can see, so question number 8 is like if 29 December 2011 was Thursday, then 26 September 2013 was which day? So these kind of questions normally is being asked for your exam when you sit for your placement. And these kind of question you can solve by using your basic knowledge on aptitude plus the basic knowledge if you have with regards to calendar concept day wise. So you can solve these kind of questions, or there are shortcut ways are there, because in the aptitude industry it's very important to do the problem in least possible time. So for in that regard there are shortcuts, and there is always a demand for the shortcut, and this is the shortcut what you can see on my screen. So here, in order to work on the shortcuts, you have to remember a few concepts. Okay, so here you have to remember, like at the end, if you get answer as 1, then your answer is Sunday. If you get the end answer as 2, your answer is Monday. If you get 3, means your answer is Tuesday. If you get 4, means Wednesday. Sorry. Okay, class recording. Yeah, Prasanna sir. Sir, have you started the recording, sir? Yes, sir. So talking about calendar, when this is the day code, what you can see. This is the day code. If your final answer is 1, means your answer is Sunday. If your final answer is 2, then it's Monday. 3 means Tuesday. 4 means Wednesday. 5 means Thursday. 6 means Friday. Saturday. You have to remember this as a day code. Then month code, like is very easy. You can see January, February, March. You can remember this as the square of 12. This is the month code. So this is a square of 12. Then 025, that is a square of 5. 036, that is a square of 6, and 146, you can remember something, it's not logical, 12 square plus 2. So this is a month code you can remember. So few things here in this shortcut you will remember few things, but again it's not at all difficult. Once or twice problem if you do, then remembering will not be big thing for you. Otherwise there's a logical approach. Once my shortcut will be done, then I'll explain you the logical approach of solving the question based on that logical approach. But right now we do with shortcuts. So whenever we get easy problem or 1 minute, one questions, we can do it very easily. And then this is your year code. You can remember this as a year code. 1500 to 1599 code is 0. 1600 to 1699 the code is 6. 1700 to 1799 code is 4. 1800 to 1899 the code is 2. 0642 0642, that when you keep repeating. So this will keep repeating here, like 2100 to 2199. The code of this would be 4. Then 2200 to 2299. The code will be 2. So 0642. It's like some you can think like it's a game of cricket where only even runs are possible, no odd run. So 064 and 2. Okay, and then how to memorize that 064 and 2? So you can remember that all the century leap year are having the code called 6. So I hope you know the term. What do you mean by century leap year? So what is century leap year? I hope you understand. Century leap year are those years which are basically leap year, okay, which have 29 February. So all the century leap year have a code called 6. So like I hope you can understand this part. that when we talk about 29 February, so 29 February, there's nothing called 29 February 1900. There's no date like 29 February 1900. You have to understand there's no date called 29 February 1800. There's no date. So like you have to understand the concept of leap year. So the when we talk about year, you know that a year can be a normal year or a year can be leap year. So you know that concept that a year can be normal year, a year can be a normal year, or a year can be leap year. So what is a normal year? Normal year are those year which have 365 days. Leap year are those year which have 366 days. So leap year have 366 days. So why leap year have a 366 days? Because they have an additional one day called 29 February. Okay, and because they have the additional one day called 29 February in that year, we call those year as a leap year. And now, when we talk about a normal year, you have 365 days. But if you see geography and if you study the time what the Earth takes to complete the one revolution of the sun, Earth takes 365.25. So it's not exactly 0.25, but for the time being, you can understand the total time what the Earth takes to complete one revolution of Sun is 365 1 by 4 days. So Earth actually takes 365 1 by 4 days. So to complete one revolution of the Sun. So to make this adjustment of this 1 by 4 days, so what we do 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So after every 4 year, to do this adjustment of additional 1 by 4 what you are having every year. So that adjustment is done after every 4 years, where we include one day. And that year where this day is included, that is called as leap year. So in a normal year you have 365 days. In the case of leap year you have 366 days. So a leap year, we say leap year have 52 week plus 2 day extra, while normal year have 52 week plus 1 day extra. So in the case of normal year you have 1 day extra. In the case of leap year you have 2 days extra. So keep this in your mind. That's why every year your birthday postponed by 1 day. So this year if your birthday comes in Monday, next year if it's normal year it will come in Tuesday. So that is the reason you would be wondering also many times. So when we talk about a normal year have 365 days, means 52 week plus 1 day extra. Leap year have 366 days, means 52 week plus 2 day extra. So if leap year come in between your birthday, then your birthday will get postponed by 2 days. So you have noticed or not noticed, but that is there always. So when we talk about leap year, when we are trying to understand a leap year, how to define a leap year. So normally we say that leap year comes after every 4 year. So that is the general concept of understanding a leap year, but that is not 100% true. So when we talk about a leap year, to understand a leap year, we need to define a year in two parts. A year can be a century year, or a year can be non-century year. So century years are those years which end with two zeros. So 1700, 1800, 1900, 2000, 1600. So all the years which end with two zeros are called as century year. And all the year which does not end with two zeros, any other year, we call them as a non-century. Century, I think everyone understand the term called century. Century means what? Century means two zeros. You know that. So centuries year are those years which are divisible by 100. If you want mathematical explanation, non-century years are those years which are not divisible by 100. Okay. So a century year is a leap year. It is a leap year. A century year, it is a leap year if it is divisible by 400. So if it is divisible by 400. So a century year is a leap year if it divisible by 400. A non-century year is a leap year. Non-century year is a leap year if it divisible by 4. If it is divisible by, if it is divisible by 4. So please understand this very basic thing. So when we say 1700, 1800, they are not in leap year. Why? Because they are not divisible by 400. So there is no date called 29 February 1700 because it is a not a leap year. So all the years which are century year, they are leap year if it is divisible by 400. Remaining years are leap year if it divisible by 4. I hope you people are understanding this part. It is important for you to understand this. So if I ask you that in worst case situation, worst case situation, if I ask you after how many years, after how many years your birthday will come. So in worst case situation, after how many years your birthday will come, if I ask you in worst case situation after how many years birthday will come, so the answer for this is 8 years. So how 8 years? Because imagine if there's a person who born on 29 February 1896. If there's a person who born on 29 February 1896, then next time his birthday will come on 29 February 1904, not 1900. So please understand this question comes in many exams. So remember this. So the answer is 8 year, not 4 year. Normal answer what the student gives is the 4 year, which is wrong answer. So I hope you're understanding. So you can remember here all the century leap year as the code 6. Okay, you can remember all the century leap year as a code 6, but then followed by 420. So 6420, like that you can remember. I hope this much everyone clear with this part. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone? So if I ask you that calculation like today, so let's start with very easy thing. Let's start with today calculation. Today is 18th Feb. So 18th Feb 2021. What is today date? So we know today is Thursday. Let's calculate by this formula. So what I just did. So first write down date. Date is 18. Okay. Then write down the month code. Then write the month code. So first write the date, then month code. February code is what? 04. February code is 04. First write down the date. Date is 18. Then write down the month code. Month code is 04. Then write down the year code. Then write down the year code 2000. What is the year code? Year code 2000 to 2099. 2000 to 2099. The code will be 6. 2000 to 2099. The code will be 6. Fine. So you're understanding this. 2000 to 2099. Your code will be 6. And then so first date, then month code, then year code, then last 2 digit of year. Last 2 digit of year. What is the last 2 digit of year? That is 21. Then write down the last 2 digit of the year. The last 2 digit of the year is 21. And then the last thing, the how many leap year came. Then the last thing, how many leap year came. So how many leap year came means what? You know that leap year comes after 4 years. So means in this century year, in this 2000 to 2099, till now, like from 2000, don't include 2000, never include that initiation year. How many leap year came? So leap year was 2004, then 2008, then 2012, then 2016, then 2020. So how many leap year came? One. So how many leap year came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 leap year came. So you do the sum of this. The sum of this, if I do the sum of this, if I do the sum of this, so 18, this is 10, 18, 19, 24, 2 carry, 2, 4, 5, 54. So you get the value called 54. So 54, whatever the value you get divided by 7. So whatever the value you get divided by 7, see the remainder. So if you see the remainder is 5. If you see the remainder, 54 divided by 7, whatever the answer you get divide by 7. Why sir you divided by 7? Because 7 days make 1 week. So 54 days means 7 week plus 5 day extra. So 5. So once you get the answer 5, so once you get the answer 5, then you can check here. 5 means Thursday. Today is Thursday. Clear everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Fine. So I hope this part is clear with everyone. Okay, so here be careful on some kind of dates. Like if I ask you, maybe if I were to ask you 18 February 2020. So 18 February 2020, what was the day? If you know that 18 February 2021 is Thursday. So if I ask you 18 February 2020, so what was the day on 18 February 2020? Tuesday, you are understanding this? Why Tuesday? Why not Wednesday? Because leap year came in between, no? Because leap year came in between. That's why 18 February 2020 was a Tuesday. So if you want to confirm this, so if I'm giving you any date called 18 February 2020, asking you any date called 18 February 2020. So here you will take the date. Date is 18. Then month code you will take is 04. Then year code is 06. Last two digit of year, last two digit of the year is 20. And how many leap year came? So leap year part you need to be very clear on the leap year. So leap year was 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016. Okay, not 2020. Why, sir? Why not 2020? Because 2020 leap year will come on 29 February 2020. All the dates which are on 29 February 2020 or before that don't include the leap year of 2020. So effect of leap year will happen on 2020. The effect of leap year will happen after 29 February, not on 29 February, not before that. So please don't include that here. So how many leap year came? 4 leap year came. So you add this. So 18 plus 4, 22. 6 plus 4, 10. 30. 30 plus 18, 48, 52. 52 means 3. 3 means Tuesday. You can check. Anyone, any doubt? Now suppose if I'm doing this question like uh, 29 February 2011 was Thursday. So when you are solving this kind of question, it doesn't mean here, it doesn't mean that when you are solving this kind of question, it doesn't mean that in reality this date to be Thursday. It's just a puzzle kind of thing. So you just see 29 December 2011. What was the date? So you can do it. So 29 December 29, date is 29, December code is 6, 2000 code is 6, last two digit of the year is 11. How many leap year came? 4 and 8. So 2 leap year came. If you do the sum of this is sum This is 12, this is 12, 14, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 2 carry, 4, 5, 54, 54 means 5. 5 means what? 54 means 5 now. 54, 7, 9, 7 says a 49. So, so 54 minus 49. You will get 5. 5 means what? So 5 means Thursday. You can see 5 means Thursday. I don't know whatever was the day. So 5 means Thursday. So you check 26 September 2013 which day. So you can check 26 September 2013 which day. 26 date is 26 September. What is the code of September? So you can check the September code. September is 6. So September code is 6. 2000 code is 6. 13 last two digit of the year 13. How many leap year came? 3 leap year came. 2004, 2008, 2012. So 3 leap year came. Do the sum. Sum is 18. 18 plus 6. 24. 2 carry. 2, 4, 5. So again 54, you can see again 5. So here, if this was Thursday, then this is also Thursday. I hope you are getting the logic. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? So this, if you want, you can do this manually also. Imagine if this class was not happened, then you have to do this manually. So manually, how to do this? So manually also you can do, but again, this would take a lot of time. So manually, like in the sense how to do manually. So you know that leap year, normal year. When you say normal year, a normal year have 365 days. A normal year have 365 days. 365 days means 52 week plus 1 day extra. So you remember normal year, your day will increase by one day. And when you talk about leap year means 366 days. When you talk about leap year, you have 366 days means 52 week plus 2 day extra. So you have to remember this. So in normal year, your birthday will get postponed by 1 day. In leap year, your birthday will get postponed by 2 days. So this question comes in probability, that what is the probability? What is the probability that a normal year? What is the probability that a normal year? What is the probability that a normal year has 53 Sunday? This question is very common question. What is the probability that a normal year has 53 Sunday? What answer will you give? What is the probability that a normal year has a 53 Sunday? The answer for this question is 1 by 7. How 1 by 7? So it's very easy. This is very important question. So please remember this. One of the very favorite question of calendar and probability. This question is actually intersection between calendars and probability. So if you understand a normal year have 52 week plus 1 day extra. Okay. So when we say a normal year have 52 week plus 1 day extra. 52 week means 52 Sunday, 52 Monday, 52 Tuesday, 52 Wednesday, 52 Thursday, everything 52. So when we talk about a normal year, in the case of normal year, you have 52 Sundays, 52 Mondays, 52 Tuesday, 52 Friday, 52 Wednesday, 52 Saturday. 52s are coming, but what I want 53 Sunday. So I want 53 Sunday. It means that the day which is extra, that day should be Sunday. Then only I can get a 53 Sunday. So, but in the case of normal year, you have 1 day extra. So the day what you have extra, in the case of normal year, you have 1 day extra, and the day which is extra, that day can be anything. This day can be Sunday, it can be Monday, it can be Tuesday, it can be Wednesday. This day it can be Thursday, it can be Friday, it can be Saturday, so it can be any of the 7 days. I want this day to be Sunday. Okay, then only I'll get 53 Sunday. So out of 7 cases, sample space is 7. In probability, you study the something called sample space. Sample space means the set of possible outcome. So in the case of normal year, you have 1 day extra, and that day can be Sunday, it can be Monday, it can be Tuesday, it can be Wednesday, it can be Thursday, it can be Friday, it can be Saturday, it can be anything out of the 7 days. I want that day to be Sunday. So I want that day to be Sunday means out of 7 days, I want that day to be Sunday. So means my total outcomes are 7, and my favorable outcome, what I'm looking for is 1. That 1 means Sunday. So the answer for this would be 1 by 7. Very common question it comes. So remember this. Similarly, you may get a question where you may get a question that what is the probability? What is the probability that a leap year? What is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays? What is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays? So if I ask you what is the probability that a leap year has 53 Sunday means, so in the case of leap year, you have 2 days extra. When we say leap year means 52 week plus 2 day extra. So whenever I say leap year basically means, when I say leap year basically means 52 week plus 2 day extra. So in the case of leap year, you have 2 extra days. These 2 extra days can be anything. These 2 extra days can be Sunday plus Monday. It can be Monday plus Tuesday. It can be Tuesday plus Wednesday. It can be Wednesday plus Thursday. It can be Thursday plus Friday. It can be Friday plus Saturday. It can be Saturday plus Sunday. In case of leap year, you have 2 days extra. So these 2 extra days can be Sunday plus Monday. It can be Monday plus Tuesday. It can be Tuesday plus Wednesday. It can be Wednesday plus Thursday. It can be Thursday plus Friday. It can be Friday plus Saturday. It can be Saturday plus Sunday. So 7 cases are possible. So the total cases are 7. You want 53 Sunday. 53 Sunday means you want 53 Sunday means 52 Sundays are already there. But for getting 53 Sunday, what are the favorable cases? Out of the 2 day, 1 day should be Sunday. Now, out of 2 day, 1 day should be Sunday. So this can be one of the favorable case. This can be one of the favorable case. So the answer for this will be 2 by 7. So please remember this, one of the favorite question which comes in exam. So you can remember this. So it will be good for you. So you understood the concept of normal year. You understood the concept of leap year. Normally, when we say month like January, so when we say month like January, you have 31 days. When we say January, you have 31 days. 31 days, you can say it is 4 week plus 3 extra days. I hope you're getting the logic. 28 plus 3. When we say February, so February means if it normal year, it can have 21, it can have 28 or 29 days. So it can have 4 week. So it can have 4 week or 4 week plus 1 day extra. Please understand this part. So please understand this. So this way, if you understand, it will be easy for you. Imagine if third, imagine if the 3rd January, if I ask you, 3rd January is Monday, then if I ask you, 3rd January is Monday, if I ask you what is 7th April, what is the 7th April? If the 3rd January is Monday, then what is your 7th April? So, so how to do this? Anyone? What would be your answer? If your 3rd January is Monday, what is your 7th April? Anyone? So this you can do by two ways. You can use shortcut. If you don't understand anything, you can do by shortcut, or you can do logically also. So shortcut, like you can take any year. You can take suppose 3rd January 2021 simply, and then you take 7th April 2021. Imagine you don't want to use your brain, so you use shortcut, you will get the answer. Take the date 03 January 01, no, January 144. Then this is 06, last two digit of year 21, and then how many leap year came? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So 5. Similarly here, date is 07. April is 144025000. Then up this is 06, this is 21, this is 05. So these all are same. So what matters is this, the sum is 4. Here the sum is 7. So means if this is Monday, if 4 is means Monday, then 7 means Thursday, no? So very simple. So if 3rd January is Monday, then definitely you can check. Then 7th April definitely, then it would be Thursday. Very simple. So you can do like this. This is very easy way of doing. No, if you say no, we want to do logical approach, so you can apply, you can solve this question by logically also. So logically, how will you solve? So 3rd January is Monday. So if 3rd January is Monday, then 3rd February, then 3rd February. So between 3rd January and 3rd February, how many days came? 31 days of January, no? January have 31 days. So 31 days came in between. 31 days came in between means what? 31 days came in between means what? A 31 day means 4 week plus 3 day extra. So 4 week plus 3 day extra. So 3 days extra means 3rd Feb would be Thursday. Then 3rd March. 3rd March will be which day? So this is non-leap year. And the February and March, February have 28 days. 28 days means exact 4 weeks. So 3rd March will be also Thursday only. So you know or you don't know, but the Feb and March calendar in non-leap year goes same. Okay, otherwise you can check here. So here if you see this, if this is now, this is no 18th Feb. 18th Feb is Thursday, no? If I check 18th March, that will be also be Thursday only. 18 March, you check this is Thursday only. I hope you're getting the logic. Now if I say 3rd April, 3rd April. Now March and April, how many days came? 3 days, because March have 31 days. So 3 days means Thursday, then Saturday, Sunday. Then your 3rd April would be Sunday. 3rd April is Sunday. So 5th April, 5th April will be Tuesday. 5th April will be Tuesday. And if I ask you 7th April, 7th April will be Thursday. Getting the logic. So you can do any way. You can do logically or you can do shortcut. Any way you want, you can do the problem. You will get the same answer. I hope you are getting the logic very clearly. Anyone have any doubt? So the same logic we can use here also. So if 29th December 2011 was Thursday, then if I ask you 26 September 2013, which day? So 29th December, if 29th, if 29 December, if 29 December 2011 was Thursday, if 29 December 2011 was Thursday, then 26 September 2013. So then 26th, then 26 September 2013, which day? If I want to do step by step, I don't want to use any shortcut approach. So that also you can do. So 29 December 2011 was Thursday. So I can, so here 29 December 2011 was Thursday. So what I can do, I can find 31st December. I can find 31st December 2011. It would be Saturday. Okay. So I can find 1st January. 1st January 2012. That will be Sunday. Okay. So then I can find 1st January 2013. 1st January 2013. 2012 was a leap year. So the 1st January 2013 will be Tuesday. That will be Tuesday. Why Tuesday? Because uh, in case of normal year, you have only one extra day, but in case of leap year, you have two extra day. So 2012 was a leap year, so that's why 1st January 2013 will be Tuesday. I hope you are getting the logic. Then if I ask you 1st February 2013, then 1st February 3 days extra. So then this would be Friday. Okay. Then 1st March, same 1st March, same 1st March, same Friday because Feb have it's a non-leap year. Okay, so then 1st April, so plus 3. So it would be Friday, Sunday, Monday. So 1st April, Monday, 1st May plus 2, that would be Wednesday. Then 1st May, June, 1st June, May means plus 3. Plus 3 means Saturday. Plus 3 means Saturday. 1st June, Saturday. Then June means 30 days, means Monday. Then July and August 1st, August, that would be plus 3. Plus 3 means Thursday. Then August, then September, 1st September 2013, August again 3. So Sunday, so Thursday plus Thursday plus August, 1st August 2013 was Thursday. So September, so August have 31 days, means Thursday plus 3. So Thursday plus 3 means Sunday. So 1st September was Sunday. So 8th September will be also Sunday. So then 1st September is Sunday. Then 8th September is also Sunday. Okay. Then 8 plus 7, 15 September is also Sunday. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 means 22. 22 September is also Sunday. 22 September is also Sunday. So 22 September is also Sunday. 24 September will be Tuesday. Okay. And 26 September, that will be Thursday. 26 September, that will be Thursday. So I hope you are getting the logic, everyone. Anyone have any doubt? Anyone want to ask any question? So remember, calendar is very logical topic. In exams, they ask questions based on calendars very much. So keep that in your mind always. Not at all difficult. It's very basic. Okay, so you can do either logical, you can do shortcut, everything is justified. So like if I ask you, suppose my birthday is on 5th February, if I ask you 5th February 1984 simply, if I say it is Friday, so then if I ask you 5th March, then if I ask you 5th March 1994, which day? 5th March 1984 will be which day? Anyone? See, the first thing you have to understand, you know the okay. See, one thing, guys, you need to understand the concept of leap year. I think everyone understand what is leap year. Okay, so if once you understand what is leap year, you know that I told you leap year can be century leap year or non-century leap year. You know that 1984 cannot be century year. It is non-century year. So non-century years are leap year if they are divisible by 4. So first thing you have to understand 1984, is it leap year or not? So to check is 1984 is a leap year or not, you have to check is it divisible by 4 or not. So what is divisibility rule of 4? Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits. Don't waste your time dividing 1984 by 4. Don't divide 1984 by 4. Don't do that. Simply divide 94 by 4. 94, if you divide 94 by 4, so you will get a reminder 2. You will get a reminder 2 because 23 fours is 92. So 1984 is not a leap year. If 1984 is not a leap year, then in the month of February, you have 28 days. And because you have 28 days in the month of February, then you have same days of February and March. So please understand in the case of non-leap year, February and March, they will give you the same days. So you understood this. Now if I ask you 5th February 1995, which day? 1995, which is Saturday only. So because it's a normal year and the day postponed by one day. So then if I ask you for 5th March 1995, which day? So Saturday only. This part everyone clear with this part because normal year the days February March same it goes by same days and 1984 was not a leap year, 1985 is not a leap year. Then if I ask you any date, like if I ask you 5th February 1996, what day will be 5th February 1996? 5th February 1996 was a Sunday. But is it Sunday or Monday? Because 1986 is a leap year. Very good. So the effect of leap year will be after 28th February. Although 1986 is a leap year, but the effect of leap year will not happen on 1987. The effect of leap year on 1986, the effect of leap year will happen on 1987 on all the days which are before 29th February. So on all the days which are before 29th February, so the effect of leap year will happen on after that year. So 5th February 1986 is actually will be Sunday. So if this is Sunday, then if I ask you 5th March 1986, which day? It will be Monday. It will be Monday. Why it will be Monday? Because one day will increase because of like that every year it increased by one day plus one day will increase. Why? Because of leap year. One day extra came between in the month of Feb and March. Fab was instead of being 28 days, now the Fab become 29 days. That's why it's a leap year. And in case of leap year, March days will be one day after the February date. Okay, so I hope you understand it. Now 5th February 1987, that will be which day? That will be Tuesday. Okay, so this will be Tuesday. So if I am asking you 5th March 1987, it's a non-leap year. So if it's non-leap year, then Feb and March will go same. So the effect of leap year on all the days which are before 29 Feb, it will happen after that leap year. It will not have effect on the year which is a leap year. So I hope you are getting this concept very well. So you people are not confused. Other you see always Feb and March in case of non-leap year will be same only. So why same? So this is the reason. Reason is very simple. Because in the case of Feb, you have 28 days. 28 days means 4 complete week. 4 complete week means definitely the Feb and March will be same only. The days will be very same. This part everyone is understanding. This is very good question. You can try this question, although the answer is given to you. Although year after 1900, the year, this question number 9, the year after 1900, which having the same calendar that of 1990, year after 1990 having the same calendar, that is of 1990. If you can try by yourself. This is question number 9. One of the favorite question of many exam. Everyone, please try this question. So, did you get the answer for this problem? The year after 1990, which having the same calendar, that of 1990. This is one of the questions which is very favorite question of many examiners. The year after 1990, you can take, suppose, if you take a date, any date before uh, before uh, before 29 February, you may get a wrong answer, because if you notice, you'll notice that the first January 1990 will have the same calendar of 1st January 1996. Okay, so they will be same, but they will be the days will be same. Whatever the day you will get here, whatever the day you will get here, the same day you will get in 1986. But you need to understand the fact that 1990 is not a leap year. 1990 is not a leap year. You have to understand this fact that 1990 is not a leap year, but 1986 is a leap year. Because 1986 is a leap year, so any date after 1st January, if you take 1st April, if you take 1st April, if you take 1st April 1990, so if 1st April 1990 was X, then 1st April 1996, that will be X plus 1. That part you can observe here. So you may get confused on 1986, but 1986 will not give you the correct answer. So like for an example, like suppose 1st January 1990 was X. So 1st January 1991, 1st January 1991, that will be X plus 1. Okay, so 1st January 1992. So 1st January 1992, it will be X plus 2. Then 1st January 1983, that will be X plus 4, because 1982 is a leap year. Then 1st January 1984, that will be X plus 5. Then 1st January 1985, that will be X plus 6. And then 1st January 1986, that will be X plus 7. X plus 7 means 1 week complete, means X. So you think that 1st January 1918 and 1996 is same, but you need to understand 1986 is a leap year, while 1900 was not a leap year. While if you take 1st April, imagine if you have taken 1st April 1990, if suppose as Y, so the 1st April 1991, that then it will be Y plus 1. Then 1st April 1992, that this will be Y plus 3. Okay, then 1st April 1993, this will be Y plus 4. Okay, 1st April 1994, then it would be Y plus 5. Then 1st April 1995, then this would be Y plus 6. Then 1st April 1986, 1986 is a leap year. So this will be Y plus 8, Y plus 8 or Y plus 1. Means 1 week complete now. So Y plus 1. So I hope you are getting the logic what I am telling you. So if you say, if you take 1st April 1987, then this will be Y plus 2. If you take 1st April 1998, then this will be Y plus 3. Okay, then 1st April 1989, then this will be Y plus 4. Then 1st April 2000, so then this will be Y plus 6. Then 1st April 2001, then this will be Y. So the answer for this will be 2001. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone, any doubt, any question? Abhilash, anyone? Asna, Feba, anyone, any doubt? Jyotika, Nida, Sandeep, any question you want to ask? Fine. So you can try this question. You can try this question number 11, everyone. Very easy problem. You can use shortcut or you can use logical approach. You do any way you get the answer. You can see the option. You can use shortcuts. Anyway, you can use the days wise logic. March, April, you have 3 days. Then April to May, 2 days. May to June, like that you can take. Like let the first 5th March is X. So 5th April will be X plus 3. 5th May will be X plus 5. So like that 5th June will be X plus 1. Like that you can do that. So this question number 12 is considered as a difficult question. So question number 12 is one of the favorite question of many exams. So we'll discuss question number 12. Before I talk about question number 12, I need to explain something that you know that in a normal year, you have 365 days. 365 days means 52 week plus 1 day extra. Just I'm doing from beginning only. The day which is extra, we call this day as an odd day. In case of leap year, you have two extra day, two odd day. So in case of normal year, you have one odd day. In case of leap year, you have two odd day. So when you say odd day, this odd days are very important. Now, if I talk about 100 year, so in case of 100 year, how many odd days are there? So you need to understand 100 year, how many odd day will be there. So 100 year will have 24 leap year and 76 normal year. When I say 100 year you'll have 24 leap year plus 76 normal year. Then many people will get confused. How come 24 leap year? It should be 25 leap year because leap year comes after every 4 years. And so if I divide 100 by 4, I get quotient as 25. So I should get the here as an answer called 25 leap year. But you have to understand that in case of 100 years, the 100th year will not be leap year. The 100th year is a century year, 100th year is a century year, and all the century years are leap year if they are divisible by 400. So in case of 100 years, the 100th year will not be leap year. So instead of 25 leap year, you have 24 leap year. So if you have 24 leap year, then automatically normal year will be 100 minus 24 means 76 normal year. One leap year means two extra day. So one leap year means two extra day. So one normal year means one extra day. So 100 year you have 48 plus 76 means 124 odd day. 124 odd day means 124 odd day means 124 extra day. So if you divide 124 by 7, you'll get 17 week plus 5 day extra. 17 7 is 119. So you'll get 17 week plus 5 day extra. So in case of 100 year, the extra days are 5. So if you check in Google that if today is 18th, no, 18th Feb 2021, no, is Thursday. So if you check in Google that 18 Feb 2000, 2121, that will be what? That will be Tuesday. You can check in Google. This will be Tuesday. So in case of 100 years, the extra days will be 5. So you can now 2000, now that calendar will not be here, but you can go back, you can check in past days, and you can check, you'll get the same answer. In case of 100 years, you have 5 extra days. In case of 100 years, you have 5 extra day. If I ask you 200 year, if I ask you 200 years, if I ask you 200 year, 200 year means 200 year means 5 twos are 10. 100 year means 5, so 200 means 5 twos are 10. 10 means 10 extra day. 10 extra day means 1 week plus 3 extra days. 10 extra days means 1 week plus 3 extra days. Please understand. So 100 year means 5 extra day. So 100 year means 5 extra day. 100 year means 5 odd day. So if I ask you 200 year means how many odd day? That should be 5 into 2. That should be 10 odd day. 10 odd day means what? 10 odd day means 1 week plus 3 day extra. 7 plus 3, 1 week plus 3 day extra. So 200 year means 3 extra days. So after 200 year, today will be what? Today will be Sunday. So if you check 18th February 2221, 2221, the answer for this will be Sunday. So please understand this. Now if I ask you 300 year, 300 year means how many extra days? So 100 year means 5 extra day. So 200 year means 10 extra day. 300 year means 15 extra day. 15 extra day means 2 week plus 1 day extra. So after 300 year, today will be Friday. So you can do that. So after 300 year, today will be Friday. And if I ask you 400 year, if I ask you 400 year, so 100 year means 5. So if I ask you 100 year, 100 year means 5 extra day. 100 year means 5 odd day. Okay, so if I ask you 400 year, 400 year, then you have 5 into 4 odd day. So you have 5 into 4 odd day. 5 into 4 odd day means 20 odd day. 20 odd day. 20 odd day means 2 weeks plus 6 days extra. 2 weeks plus 6 days extra. You have to understand that 400 years. You have to understand that when we talk about 400 years, in case of 400 years, how many leap year will be there? You know that 100th year will not be leap year. You have to understand the 100th year is not a leap year because it's not divisible by 400. 200th year was not a leap year because not divisible by 400. 300th year was not a leap year because not divisible by 400. But 400 years, the 400th year will be leap year. Why? Because divisible by 400. So the actual time what the Earth takes to complete one revolution of Sun is not exactly 365 1 by 4. You can check in Google. So it's not exactly 365 1 by 4. That is more than 365. So if you Google it, so the time taken by Earth to complete one revolution of Sun. So that is not 365.25, it is actually 365.2422. So because what you did, you assumed as 365.25 and you added one extra days. You added one extra days after 4 years, and that created additional days. So that's why what we did after every 100 years and all, we don't consider them as a leap year. The 100th year, 200th year, 300th year, we don't consider them as a leap year. But 400th year, we made them as a leap year. to do this mathematically correct the equation. And that's why every 400 year, if we take as a leap year, so this is just a mathematical adjustment. So you don't have a 6 extra day, but instead of being 6, because 400 year is a leap year, you have actually 7 odd day. 7 odd day means 0 days extra. So 0 days extra. So you have to understand that 400 year means how many days extra? 0 days extra. After 400 year, today will be Thursday only. So this part you have to remember. This part you have to remember. This part you have to remember. So 100 year, 1 day extra, leap year, 2 days extra. 100 normal year, 1 day extra, leap year, 2 days extra. In case of 100 years, you have 5 day extra. In case of 200 years, you have 3 days extra. In case of 300 years, you have 1 day extra. In case of 400 years, you have 0 days extra. You have to remember this concept. So this will be helpful for you to solve the problems. Now, if you see this question, how many times 29th day of the month occur in 400 consecutive year? So 29th day of month means you have to understand 29th day of month. So here we need to understand that in case of normal year, in case of normal year, in case of normal year, 29th day of month, 29th day of month comes in 11 months, comes in 11 months. Why 11 month? Not in February, in case of normal year, okay, or in case of leap year, 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 29th day of month, 29th day of month comes in all the 12 months. I hope you're understanding. Comes in all 12 months. It comes in all 12 months. So you need to understand this part. So what here I need to calculate here in this question, if I have to 400 consecutive years, first thing I have to calculate in 400 consecutive years, how many leap years are there and how many normal years are there. So in case of 400 consecutive years, in case of 400 consecutive years, how many leap year will be there? 100 divided by 4, 400 divided by 4, you get the value is 100. 400 divided by 4, because after 4 year leap year comes. So you will get the answer 100, but you have to understand that the 100, 200, 300 year are not leap year, are not leap year, are not leap year, because you know the reason already why. So in case of 400 consecutive years, so leap years, how many leap years are there? So the leap year are actually 100 minus 3. You have 97 leap year. And how many normal years are there? How many normal years are there? Normal year will be automatically, that will be 400 minus 97. Remaining years are normal year. Very year can be either leap year or either normal year. There's nothing new thing here. So this will be 303. Okay, so this will be 3. So it's simple. So now, so 29th day of month, 29th day of month in 400 years, in 400 consecutive years, in 400 consecutive year, that will be how much? So in 97 leap year, all the 12 months have 29th day of month. In 303 normal year, 11 month have 29th day of month. February does not have 29th day of month. You just need to solve this. This is 84, this is 108. So this is 416, 1164. 1164 plus this is 3, 3, 3, correct? 303, 11 is 3, then 3, then 3, and then 3. So if you add, this is 7, this is 9, this is 4, this is 4. The answer is 4497. Ask me, anyone have any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Now, if you like, I told you the shortcut way to solve the calendar problem, where you have to remember a few aspects before you solve the problem. And if you remember these aspects, you can get the answer very easily. But before this shortcut, there are logical ways to get the answer. So you can get the answer logically also. So logically, when we try to solve the problem, logically, we believe that the first day was Monday. This is logical approach. First day was Monday, so that day is just it's few assumptions are there in this logical approach. Based on this assumption only, everything is being solved. So first day was Monday. So the first day was Monday, and so you know that. So automatically your second day will be Tuesday. So we believe that the life started on Monday, then Thursday. So just a logic, it's like as few assumption that third day is Wednesday, then fourth day is Thursday, day was Thursday, then fifth day was Friday, then fifth day, then fifth day was Friday, and sixth day was Saturday, sixth day was Saturday, and then 0 day that was Sunday. So this is logical approach. So according to the logical approach, the life started on Monday. Okay, and under this logical approach, whenever you get any dates, like for example today date only, 18 Feb 2021. So whenever you get any date and you want to know like what was the day on this date, so what you can do, you can think of a year which is multiple of 400 before this year. So what you need to do, you have to think of an year which is multiple of 400 before 18 February 2021. Why you need to think of a year which is multiple of 400 before this year? The reason is very simple, because you know that 400 year, you know the reason that 400 year means zero odd day, and so 800 year will have zero odd day, 1200 year will have zero odd day, 1600 year will have zero odd day, 2000 year will have zero odd day, 2400 year will have zero odd day. So before 18 Feb 2021, you have to think of a year which is multiple of 400. So that you can say that it is 2000. So after 2000, how many year went away? After 2020 year has went away. So this is 21st year going on. So after 2000 was a multiple of 400. Why you took multiple of 400? The reason why I took a multiple of 400, because after every 400 year you have zero odd day. So that's why I took the year before this date, which is multiple of 400. Then after that, how many year went away? 20 year went away. Plus after that 20 year went away, now I'm in on 21st year. On 21st year, I'm on a date called 18 Feb. Okay, everyone. So 2000 year means zero odd day. 20 year, 20 year, 20 year. You can find the odd days. 20 year means how many leap year would have came in 20 years. After every 4 year leap year comes. So 5 leap year would have came. So 5 leap year has came. If 5 leap year came, the normal year was 15. Okay. So after every 4 year leap year comes, so 20 year how many leap year came? 5 leap year came. So if 5 leap year came, the normal year would be 20 minus 5. One leap year means 2 extra days. One normal year means one extra day. So you can write this as 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15 is 25. 25 means 4 week. 25 means 3 week plus 4 day extra. 7 3s are 21. So 3 week plus 4 day extra. So if you understand 31st December 2020, that was on Thursday. you can understand this part. 31st December 2020 was on Thursday, because here I got the value 4. 1 means Monday, 2 means Tuesday, 3 means Wednesday, 4 means Thursday, 5 means Friday, 6 means Saturday, 0 means Sunday. So you have to understand that 31st December 2020 was Thursday. So I'm not talking about 31st December 2020. I'm talking about a date called 18 Feb. So 18 Feb came after this. So it came after January and February 18. So January means how many days are there in January? 28 plus 3. So January means 28 plus 3 means 3 extra days. February is 18. 18 I can say 14 plus 4. 18 I can say 14 plus 4. Or you can write directly 18 also, no problem. Whatever. So the year 21. 21 means 0 extra day. So 21 means 0 extra day. 4 means Thursday. The answer is Thursday. You take any date, you can calculate like this way. So this is logical way. Logical way, you never get a wrong answer. If you are trying to solve the problem logical way, shortcuts, they are few. Like when you try to solve the question through shortcuts, shortcut method, what I told you, it has few drawback, but logical way, it has no drawback. If you solve the question by logical way, you never get a wrong answer. So you can keep that in your mind. So I'll tell you the drawback of shortcut way, which I told you. So what is the drawback? So a shortcut way I'll tell you after one more example. So like for example, we got independence on 15 August 1947. So we got independence on 15 August 1947. 15 August 1947 was Friday. So if you want to prove it mathematically, you can do it. So, I want to take little bit better example. So then today date, because today date was very easy to calculate. So let's take little bit better example like 15 August 1947. So before 15 August 1947, think of a year which is multiple of 400 years. So then that would be 1600. I think everyone understand. So that would be 1600 before 15 August 1947. Think of a year which is multiple of 400. That would be 1600. After 1600, 346 year. And on 347th year, I'm taking a date called 15 August. On 347th year, I'm taking a date called 15 August. So this I can write 346 as 300 plus 46. I hope you're understanding. Plus 15th August. So on 347th year, the date was 15th August on which we got independence. So I hope everyone is getting this concept very clearly. So 1600 means 0 odd day, 300 means 1 odd day. Already I told you, no? Normal year, 1 day extra, leap year, 2 days extra, 100 year, 5 day extra, 200 year, 3 day extra, 300 year, 1 day extra, 400 year, 0 day extra, plus 46 year, plus 46 years. If I ask you 46 year, how many leap year came? So after every 4 year leap year comes, 46 divided by 4, you'll get 11. So 11 leap year came. If 11 leap year comes, then how many normal year come? 46 minus 11. 46 minus 11, that many normal year will come. So this is 11 leap year plus 35 normal year. 1 leap year means 2 day extra. 1 normal year means 1 day extra. So this will be 22 plus 35 57. So 57 means 57 means what? 57 means 8 week. 8 7 are 56. 8 week plus 1 day extra. So 46 year means 1 day extra. So if you understand the day, so before leaving India, Britishers celebrate their 31st December on Tuesday. You can check in Google also. Before leaving India, Britishers celebrated their New Year party on Tuesday. Okay, but they have not given independence on that day. They on next year they have given independence on 15th August. So next year they gave us independence on 15th August. 15th August came after January, February, March, then April, then May, then June, then July, and then August. January means 31 means 3, Feb means 0, March means 3, April means 2, May means 3, June means 2, July means 3, August not 31st, 15 only, 15 means 1. So this is 3, 6, 8, 11, 13, 14, 17. 17 means 3. So you get 5. 5 means Friday. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? So you can solve this by shortcut also if you want. This was the logical approach. If you want shortcut, you can do 15 August 1947. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt? Now the exception part. When we talk about the exception part, what is the exception part is? So exception part is like you have to understand that the 1st January 1600, or if I give you date called 1st January 2000. So whatever 1st January 1200, anything first date of the century leap year. So all this day, this will be Saturday only. So all these days will be Saturday only. So so the shortcut method will not able to give you correct answer for this kind of situation. Logical approach, if you want, what is a logical approach? That 1st January, if I ask you 1st January 2000, so the answer should be Saturday. So how to do this kind of question? So you know that the first day is Monday. So first day, the life started on Monday. So how to do this? So you have to think of the year which is multiple of 400 before this year. So that would be 1600 plus 399 year. Okay, plus 1st January. I hope you are getting the logic. This would be 1600 plus 300 year plus 99 year plus 1st January. This way you have to solve. 1600 means 0, 300 means 1, 99 year. If I ask you 99 year means how many leap year will come? 24 leap year will come, and then 75 normal year will come. 24 leap year means 24 into 2, 48 plus 75 into 1. So that is 48 plus 75. 123 odd day. 123 odd day means 17 plus 4 extra days. 119 plus 4. So 73. So plus 4. So please understand that 5, no, you're getting 5. So 5 is Friday. You have to understand. So this is first for January, 1st January. So the answer is 6. 6 means Saturday. Logical way, you can do like this, you never get a wrong answer. Anyway, anyone, any doubt, any question you want to ask? Any question, anyone? So I can suggest all of you that you know your birthday date, you know your birthday day, which day you are born, you know your date also. So you can calculate mathematically. So which day you are born, you can do this. Excel thing, if you want to do the same thing in Excel, things will become very easy in MS Excel. You don't have to follow all these calendar concepts and all in Excel. You just need to write text. You write text, your work will be done. So value. So if I write in text, I'll write the date, year 2021, month 02, day is 18. So comma, in what format I want? I want this in PPT. You can see this. So in calendar, you don't have to remember all this. You get this answer very easily. So you use the text function, you can do it very easily. Otherwise, in aptitude, when we talk about aptitude, we can't do like this. In aptitude, we cannot use Excel. So there you have to do manual calculation, all this. You have to prove this if you want to prove. Anyone, any doubt? Anyone, any doubt, any question you want to ask? You can tell me your birthday date. I can find your day, which day you are born. Anyone have any doubt, any confusion? You can check by yourself. You can take 5 minutes of your time. You know your birthday date, you know the day also, so you can prove mathematically that you were born on that day. Anyone want to ask any question? Any random date you can take, you can calculate. Like third battle of Panipat happened on 14th January 1761. So you want, you can prove it mathematically that third battle of Panipat. So that happened on year 1761. Which month? January 1761. Happened on January 14th, I guess. It was Friday. If you want to check, you can check that. You take any date, like suppose if I take 14 January, 14 January 1761. You want to calculate, you can calculate this. 14 January 1761. So take a date which is multiple of 400 years before this. Okay, so after that, how many years left? So 1761 minus 1600 means 160 years. 160 years. Okay, plus 14 January. So this is 0. 160 year, you can write 100 plus 60 plus 14 January. Okay, so 100 year means 5 odd day. 60 year means how many odd day? 60 year means how many odd day? 60 year. After 4 year leap year comes. In 60 year, how many leap year will come? 15 leap year. 15 for the 16 plus 45 normal year. So this is 15 30 plus 45. 45 plus 30. 75. 75 means 75 odd day means 75 odd day means 7 into 10. 7 week plus 5 day extra. So 7 week plus 5 day extra plus 5 day extra. So this is 5 plus 14 January. 14 is 0 only. 7 2 sa. So you can write this as this is 10. 10 means it should be 3. It should be 3. 10 means 1 week plus 3 day extra. 3 means it should be Wednesday, but here it is Friday 14 January 1761. Why should we Google this? Third Battle of Panipat. It was fought between Ahmad Shah Abdali and Marathas. It happened on 14 January 1761. 14 January 1761. 14 January 1761. It was Wednesday. 14 January 1761. It was Wednesday. Why this is giving me the value date? This is year 1761, month 01, date 14, comma, DDBT. Coming Friday, but 14 January 1761, it was Wednesday. I need to check why Excel is giving me Friday. So, but the answer is Wednesday. The answer is Wednesday. 14 January 1761, it was Wednesday. So that day, so you can do like this way, or you can apply shortcut approach. So it was 14 January 1761. So what was the date? Date is 14. Then month code. Month code was 01. January month code. Year code 064. So 1700, year code is 4. Okay, then 0642. Then last two digit of year, last two digit of the year, that is 61. Okay, and then how many leap years came? In 61 years, how many leap year has came? So 61 divided by 4. 15 4s are 60. So 15 leap years came. Do the sum of this. So if you do the sum of this is 8, 9, 10, 15, 1 carry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 95. 95 means 95 odd day means 95 odd day means 7 what 91 13 week plus 4 day extra 4 day extra 13 week plus 4 day extra. So 4 means you can check it's Wednesday. No, it was Wednesday. Clear? Anyone have any question? Anything anyone want to ask? This is again very good question. That 29 Feb 2000 was Tuesday. So in this century, how many years will have 29 Feb as on Tuesday? So you can check this. So this question, 29 Feb 2000 was Tuesday. In this century, how many times 29 Feb will fall on Tuesday? One other very good question. 29 Feb 2000 was Tuesday. So again, 29 Feb will come on 2004. So you can see this. So with 29 Feb 2000, that is X. Okay, so 2X means Tuesday. X means Tuesday. 29 Feb 2004. What will be this day? So check this. So how to find this? So how to find this? 29 Feb will come after 4 years, but March and Feb will come after every year. So I can take 1st March 2000. That 1st March 2000. 1st March 2000 will be X plus 1. Okay, so 1st March 2001, 1st March 2001, that will be x plus 2, that will be x plus 2. 1st March 2002, that will be x plus 3, that will be x plus 3, right? That will be x plus 3. Okay, then 1st March 2003, that will be x plus 4, and then 1st March 2004, 2004 is a leap year, so this will be x plus 6. So means, so 29 Feb 2004 will be x plus 5. I hope you're getting the logic. So 29 Feb 2000, 29 Feb 2000 was x. Now 29 Feb 2004 is x plus 5. So now gradually I'll find 29 Feb 2008. So 1st March 2004 is x plus 6. So then 1st March 2005 is x plus 7 means x. 1st March 2006 x plus 1. 1st March 2007 is x plus 2. 1st March 2008 is x plus 3. So means 29 Feb 2008 was x plus 2. See the gap, after x it become x plus 5. After 5, so after 5 it become x plus 2. X plus 2 means what? X plus 2 means x plus 9. You can see this gap. So plus, it was a gap of 5, then it is a gap of 2. So you can see the difference, how it is repeating. So how the days are repeating, you can see that. So it was Tuesday, then it became Thursday. After Thursday, so it was after Thursday, it became, so it was Tuesday, then it became Sunday. Tuesday, Sunday, then Thursday. Tuesday, Sunday, then Thursday. So from x, it become x plus 5. From x plus 5, this was 7. This was x plus 7. Then this was x plus 8. It was x plus 9. It was x plus 10. X was x plus 9. So 5, then 4. Then you can check. You can check 29. You know that 1st March, 1st March 2008, that is x plus, that is x plus 10, no? X plus 8, 9, 10. This is x plus 10 means x plus 3. So 2009, this is 2009 x plus 11. Then 2010, it is x plus 10. Then 2011, it is x plus 11. Then 2011, then it will be 29 Feb 2012, that will be x plus 11. Notice the difference. First it was x, then it is x plus 5, then it is x plus 9, then it is x plus 11. If you see the difference, it is 5, then it is 4, then it is 2. So it is 2, 11. Okay, sorry, mistake. 1 minute. So 11. So this is x plus 10, then it should be x plus 12, then it should be x plus 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. So the first it was x, then it was x plus 5, then it was x plus 8, no? Then it was x plus 9, then it was x plus 9, it was x plus 9, and now then it is x plus 13. So the gap is 5, then it is 4, and then it is 4. So 1 minute, this is 2000, this is x plus 5. So 2000 first March, no, this is x first, yeah, 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So if you notice, this will repeat after 28 years. So you can do this calculation by yourself. It will repeat after 28 years. So in 100 years, so the century means 100 years. So in 100 years, 28 threes are 84. It will come 3 times. You can do this calculation. So like from you can see this was Tuesday, again Tuesday to come. So it will happen after 28 year. So 29 February 29 February 2000 was Tuesday. You can check on 29 February. So you can check 29 February 2028. This will be Tuesday. After every 28 years, you'll get Tuesday. So they are asking you the question so in this century, how many times 29 February in this century? So in 100 years, so in 100 years, how many times? So in 100 years, if I'm asking you, so in 100 years, how many times this will happen? So 29, 28, 3 is 84, happen only 3 times. Answer for this will be 3 years. So you can check this. I found x plus 12, x plus 12 is 13, x plus 12 is 13. So you found x plus 12 is 13. Seven, then this is 8, this is 9, and this is 9, then 2008, 2008, this will be 11. This will be 11, so this will be 10. X plus 10. So here it was mistake. It was x plus 10. Then this will be 11. This will be 11. This will be 12. This will be 13. This will be 14. And then it will be 15. So like, yeah. So here is like, it will repeat after this was x. It was x. Then it will be x plus 5. It was x. So let me do this question from beginning value. So this 29 was x. This become x plus 5. If you find 29 February 2008, it would be x plus 10. And if you find 29 February x 2012, that will be x plus, then it would be x plus 15. Then this would be x plus 15. Okay, so then it would be x plus 15. So like that. So this is like, this was x, then it was x plus 5, then this is x plus 10, then it would be x plus 15. Okay, so you can check this, it would be x plus 20, then this would be x plus 25, then this would be x plus 30, then this would be x plus 35, then this would be x plus, you see which is the multiple of of 7. So you can check this 5, 10, 15, minus 1, 25, 30, 35, then it is 40. So, so, so here it should be divisible by 7. So you can see this x plus 35. So this happens after how many years? 7 and 5. You can check this. So it will happen after 28 years. You can check this. So this is 2000. This is 2004. You can check this is 2008. This is 2012. This is 2016. This is 2020. This is 2024. This is 2028. So 29th February 2028 will be Tuesday. Please understand. Again 7 and 5 LCM. So 7 and 5 LCM 35. So again it will happen after again 28 years. Again 29 February 28 USA 56. It will happen after 28 years. So then it will happen on 29 February 56. Again it will happen on 29 February 2084. They will be Tuesday. So in this century, 3 times the Tuesday will happen on 29 February 2028, 29 February 2056, 29 February 2084. So you can adjust at this. Anyone, any doubt? So 29 February 2000, I assume as X, where X was Tuesday. Then I found 29 February 2004, that become X plus 5. Similarly, if I find 29 February 2008, that become X plus 10. Similarly, if I find 29 February 2012, that then 29 February 2012, that will be X plus 15. So like that, plus 5, that will increase in AP. They are in AP, arithmetic progression. So they are in arithmetic progression. They are in AP, having a difference of 5, 5, 5, 5. So you have to see where the Tuesday will come. Means you need to see where you get a multiple of 7. Exactly same, no? So 2029 February 2029 February 2000 was Tuesday. 29 February 2004, that was Sunday. 29 February 2010. So that is Friday. 29 February 2012. That is Wednesday. 29 February 2016. So that is Monday. 29 February 2020. So that is Tuesday plus 4. Tuesday plus 4 means Saturday. 29 February 2024. So that is Thursday. 29 February 2028. That will be Tuesday. So this will repeat after every 28 years. Anyone, any doubt, any question, anyone? Anyone, any doubt, any question? Any question, anyone?